Now I'm going to walk you guys through setting up your Instagram account. Now before we get started, I do want to mention that you're more than capable of setting up your account on your mobile device, as Instagram is primarily used on a mobile device and you can only post on your phone or mobile device. But we'll get more into that at a future lesson as we cover effectively using social media. So for the sake of this lesson, we'll just continue creating our Instagram account on our computer. So once you're at Instagram, you'll go to the sign up option and go ahead and put in your email. And I'm just going to use Jason's name as we're creating Baking with Jason for our blog. Now, the main thing to consider when setting up your Instagram account is your username or your handle. And this is the name that people will recognize your account with. So you want to come up with something and use your exact name, ideally. However, there are millions of users on Instagram, so unfortunately it might be tricky to find the exact name of your blog, as Instagram doesn't allow duplicate usernames. So we'll go ahead and type in our blog, Baking with Jason, and as we see, there's an X right here, which means this name is unavailable. So we'll just go ahead and try to find a name that's close. And it might be difficult, it might be a bit of a process to try to find a name that is still close to what your blog is. And it's important to try to avoid using underscores, which is those characters right there in between the words, as it just makes it a little bit more complicated to tell people your name and for them to look you up. But I am going to break the rules in this lesson, as I have already looked up a bunch of available names for Baking with Jason, and there's nothing that comes as close. So rather than get completely far away from what the name of our blog is, I'm just going to go ahead and see if using different characters, such as underscores or periods even, and that's available. So this isn't ideal. I don't recommend doing it. Try to stay away from it and find your name as close as you can without using these characters, but I do understand that there's a lot of names already taken, so you might not be able to find it. So we will go ahead and create our password and finish signing up. And the next and last thing we'll do is we'll add a profile photo. So this could be a photo of yourself. It could be your product photography or your logo if you would like. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in a photograph for ours. And as I said before, we're going to get into using Instagram and effectively using social media at a future lesson. But now you have your Instagram set up.